So student, today we are starting with chapter number 2 of PHP, that is control structures and loops. The table content of this chapter is conditional statement, using loops for repetitive tasks, combining loops and array. So one by one we will see this points. First one, conditional statement. In PHP we have basically 4 types of conditional statement. First one is if statement, next one we have if else statement, then we have if else statement, also we called this as nested if else, and the last one we have, that is switch case. First one we will see, that is if statement. Okay, the syntax of if statement: if in bracket we will give the condition, and in curly bracket code to be executed if my condition is true. A simple example of if statement: opening and closing bracket of PHP, opening and closing tag of PHP. I have taken one variable $speed equal to 110. I have given the value of $speed equal to 110. I am using my if statement. If, and my condition is if my $speed is less than 60. If my $speed is less than 60, that means you are driving safe. In echo I am just printing you are driving safe. So simple example of if statement: if my speed is less than 60, that means I am driving safe. Second statement we have, that is if else statement. Okay, the if else statement executes some code if a condition is true and another code if that condition is false. Okay, so the syntax is if in bracket condition, code to be executed if condition is true, else code to be executed if condition is false. So in if else condition we are putting if condition, and if that condition is true it will be executed, else the false condition will be executed. Let's see one example of if else statement. Okay, we have declared the opening and closing tag of PHP. I've taken a variable that is $speed equal to 80. If condition: if my $speed is less than 60, that means you are driving safe, else you are burning extra fuel. So student, in this example, first thing is this, that we have taken $speed equal to 80. If my $speed is less than 60, that means I am driving safe. If this condition is true, this part will be executed, else it will go in the else part. Okay, now we are our speed is 80, so automatically it will go in else part, that is you are burning extra fuel. Third one we have, that is if else. If else, we also call this as nested if else. The if else statement executes different codes for more than 2 conditions. Okay, as the name suggests, it is nested if else, that means there are multiple if else condition. Let's see the syntax. If we are passing condition, then this code will be executed. Else if again we are passing condition, then the code will be executed if the condition is true. And last one, else, code to be executed if all the condition are false. So basically in this, student, if your first condition is true, this part will be executed. If second condition is true, this part will be executed, and if third condition is true, then the third part will be executed. That means if my if and if else are false, then my this condition will be executed. Let's see one example. We have opened the opening tag and closing tag of PHP. I have taken a variable that is $speed equal to 110. In if condition I am passing if my $speed is less than 60, that means you are driving safe. Again in if else condition, else if condition, I have taken if my $speed is greater than 60 and if my $speed is less than 100, that means you are burning extra fuel, else it is dangerous. Okay, so student, as you can see, we have declared the speed as 110. Okay, so it will not execute in the if part. Why it will not execute in the if part? Because we are checking here speed is less than 60, but our speed is 110. Second part, we are checking if speed is greater than 60 and it is less than 100, so it will not go in this part also, because we are taking speed as 110, which is not according to this condition. It will go in third condition because it is above, it is not satisfying your this condition and again this condition, so it will automatically go in the last part, that is echo it is dangerous. Next one we have the PHP switch case. Use the switch statement to select one of many block of code to be executed. Okay, now student, basically switch statement is used when you have multiple options. Okay, for example, there are multiple options like I want to drive, I want to eat, I want to dance, I want to play cricket, I want to go to school, I want to go to college, where there are multiple options. At that time we select switch statement. Okay, so you can see the syntax of switch statement. Okay, now switch statement is used by the keyword that is switch. Okay, switch keyword is important, and in this I am passing one variable. In switch case we have to declare each case with a keyword called as case, and after that you can give any variable code to be executed. After each and every case, break keyword is important, because after each and every case if you don't give break keyword, it will be in continue process, so break keyword is important. Again, like this you can have multiple cases, case 1, case 2, case 3, and last one will be default. For example, if it is not getting satisfied in any cases, it will automatically go in my default case. Let's see example of this. Opening and closing tag of switch case, opening and closing tag of PHP. Under that I have taken one variable, that is $favorite color equal to red. As I said, switch case is declared by the keyword switch. In this I am passing one variable, that is $favorite color that we have taken above, and in $favorite color we have taken the value as red. First thing, case red, in echo your favorite color is red, break. Case blue, echo your favorite color is blue, again break. Case green, your favorite color is green, break. Default, your favorite color is neither red, neither blue nor green. Okay, now student, if I declare this as yellow, okay, so right now I have not taken any case yellow, so automatically it will go in my default, because your favorite color is neither red, blue or green. But if I take your favorite color equal to blue, so automatically it will go in my second case, that is case blue, and the output will be your favorite color is blue. Right now we have taken the favorite color equal to red, so it will be in the first part, that is your favorite color is red. So this is the working of switch case. So student, we will just stop the session right now here, and we will continue the next topic in the next session. A quick recap of what we did till now. We have started with chapter number 2, that is control structure. In that we have seen conditional statement, we have seen if, we have seen if else, we have seen nested if else, and the last one we have seen, that is your switch case. We will continue in the next session, remaining chapter number 2.